Okay, Ogai mar ODM, Dr. Oburu Oginga, okone jalup jatenda piny Kithure Kindiki ni kikober kod kibaji ni maduon bura mar ODM ok get leo mar jalup jatenda piny e twak ma ODM kod UDA dhi bedo godo. Oburu lero magi romo mane jatend piny Kenya William Ruto osidhe omenda mar nyota Kisumu kama gisire tiyo kanyakla sirikand manywanda mar Broadbase. Walter Nyambaga chako rameny piny.
Kaulo sikine nyasi mar nyumo omenda ufuko rowere Kisumu e bwo chenro mar nyota mane otakod jatend piny William Ruto. Ogai mar ODM Dr. Oburu Oginga otone jalup jatend piny Professor Kithure Kindiki chadila kendo koni kik obed kodge kata kibaji moramora ni ODM geto komne no e twak maduon bura mar UDA kod ODM dhi bedo godo e loso sirikal melo 2027.
As we move forward, we are not going to look for less. Lakini Deputy President, usifikiria ya kwamba tunataka kiti yako, tunataka kukufukuza. Please, you are our friend.
Oburu mane ok nyango nyamara wacho noko ne jatend piny kod kweth mag UDA ni chama mar ODM geto lemo kod pok maromre kode e winjruok magidhi bedo godo magibiro loso godo sirikal gino ma jodito osire budho.
We are going to negotiate what our people deserve. We are going to negotiate what our party deserves. Our party is not a Jaluo party. It is a party for the whole of Kenya. And therefore, we are going to negotiate fairly. We don't want tribal parties.
Magi oyangore lele kinde ma jatend piny William Ruto oko ni sirikand UDA medo yaro bade kendo tiyo kanyakla kod ji mar dongo piny kendo kichore gi chien kod siasa mag akwede mag dhoudi mag pogo ganda.
Sema pesa tunawapatia hawa vijana ni pesa kidogo. Nyinyi mlishawahi kupatiana pesa ngapi? Wale jamaa wamepatiana pesa zozote? Wale jamaa hawana mpango yeyote. Ati wanatueleza ya kwamba wanataka turudi mpaka miaka 10 iliyopita. Ati the only thing they can tell us, they cannot tell us a plan. They do not have an agenda. They do not have a vision. They do not have a plan for our nation. The only thing they are telling us is that we should go back to NHIF.
Further initiatives in digital jobs, in affordable housing jobs, in overseas jobs. And I am sure through your administration, Mr. President, we are going to witness the transformation of millions of young people in your first term as you look towards your second term of your administration.
I want to confirm to Your Excellency that there should be no doubt in anybody's mind of your commitment to empowering our youth.
Judito bende omucho mbasa kod kweth maketo sirikal tesre kagi kone jatend DCP Rigathi Gachagua machano bago ng'anyo pachoka ni owe pepo wiji kod weche mag ng'anyo to chimre tir kod siasa makonyo rowere kod ngima oganda.
The young people of Kenya have rejected negative politics. They have rejected the politics of slogans. They have rejected the old politics where politicians were talking about tribal arrangements.
Who are saying they want to take over the government. I don't see them campaigning anywhere. They are just in one region, in one area. Ndio wanazunguka hapo, lakini rais anazunguka kila mahali Kenya.
Hii ndio njia ya kusaidia hawa vijana. Kwa miaka mingi sana, hawa vijana wetu wamechukuliwa kama watu ambao hawawezi fanya biashara. Ili hali ile kitu wamekuwa wakikosa ni opportunity.
You represent the beauty, the energy and the handsomeness of the nation. Sinivyo vijana. So I want to thank the President and his leadership for investing in young people, because when we invest in young people, tutaenda mbali.
Our youth are the future of Kenya. And we've been having a difficult time on how we can be able to empower them. And this empowerment, especially the way we have gotten this money and we had financial literacy and mentorship after this PS. Let me tell you, this is going to go a long way.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.